Hello, and welcome to our channel, The Birth of the Internet. Imagine a world with no Google, no social media, no YouTube, no instant communication, no online shopping, no memes. Just 50 years ago, this was reality. But one invention changed everything: the Internet. Today, we uncover the surprising story of how the Internet was born and how it transformed humanity forever. Before the Internet, communication was slow. If you wanted to send a message, you either wrote a letter, sent a telegram, or used a landline phone. Information was stored in books, libraries, and physical records. There were no search engines, just human memory and encyclopedias. Buying something meant going to a store. Watching a movie, you had to go to the cinema or rent a VHS tape. Everything was offline, but that was about to change. The Internet wasn't invented for social media or shopping. It was born out of fear, specifically the Cold War. In the 1950s, the United States feared a nuclear attack from the Soviet Union. If an attack happened, how could the government communicate if telephone lines were destroyed? They needed a new system, one that was decentralized and indestructible. In 1969, the US military funded a secret project called ARPANET, the first version of the Internet. It was created by scientists at DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, and was meant to connect government and university computers. On October 29, 1969, the first ever Internet message was sent between two computers at UCLA and Stanford. The message, just one word, login, but the system crashed after the first two letters, LO. Throughout the 1970s and 80s, the Internet slowly grew. More universities joined ARPANET, and scientists developed better ways to send information. But there was one problem. Every computer spoke a different language. There was no universal system to connect them all. That's when two computer scientists, Vinton Cerf and Bob Kahn, created TCP/IP, a universal way for computers to communicate. Think of it like a common language for the Internet. This breakthrough made the Internet more powerful and set the stage for global expansion. The real Internet revolution came in 1991, thanks to a British scientist named Tim Berners-Lee. He created something called the World Wide Web, the system of websites, links, and browsers that we use today. His idea made the Internet user-friendly. Now anyone could create websites and browse information easily. And soon the first major websites appeared. Yahoo, 1994, the first popular search engine. Amazon, 1995, started as an online bookstore. Google, 1998, changed how we find information forever. By the late 90s, the Internet was no longer just for scientists. It was becoming a revolution for ordinary people. The 2000s brought the dot-com boom, social media, and mobile Internet. Companies like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter transformed how we communicate. Then in 2007, the iPhone made the Internet mobile, putting the entire web in our pockets. The Internet became more than just a tool. It became a way of life. From online shopping to remote work, from entertainment to AI, it has reshaped our entire world. The good instant communication, email, social media, access to unlimited knowledge, Google, Wikipedia, e-commerce revolution, Amazon, online banking. The bad, privacy concerns, social media tracking, hacking, cybercrime and misinformation, mental health effects, addiction, social pressure. So what's next? Experts predict that the Internet will evolve into a more immersive, AI-driven experience. We may see a world where the metaverse, AI assistants, and even brain-computer interfaces change how we interact with technology. Will the Internet become even more powerful, or will it create new problems we can't control? Only time will tell. From a Cold War experiment to a tool that runs our daily lives, the Internet is the most powerful invention of the modern world. But what do you think? What's the next big Internet revolution? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business and tech stories. This is The Art, and I'll see you in the next one.